Hey there! Ever wondered how people grow their wealth and achieve financial freedom? Well, today, I'm going to unlock the secret for you investing. First off, what is investing? It's all about putting your money into assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, or even businesses in the hopes of generating profits or increasing your wealth over time. Unlike saving, which is low risk, investing comes with some risk but offers the potential for higher returns. So, why should you care about investing? Let me break it down. 1. Wealth growth and financial independence. Investing helps your money grow over time, often outpacing inflation. Thanks to compound interest and reinvestment, your wealth can grow exponentially. 2. Beating inflation. Inflation reduces the purchasing power of your money, but investments, especially in stocks and real estate, typically grow faster than inflation, preserving your wealth. 3. Passive income generation. Think dividend-paying stocks, real estate, and bonds. These can provide a steady stream of income, even supporting your retirement. 4. Achieving financial goals. Whether it's buying a house, funding education, or retiring comfortably, investing can help you reach those milestones. 5. Retirement security. Relying solely on savings might not cut it. Investment plans like 401(k)s, IRAs, and pension funds build wealth for a secure retirement. 1. Economic growth and development. Your investments support businesses, creating jobs and fostering innovation. Curious about types of investments? Here are some options. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, real estate, commodities, and even cryptocurrency. Each comes with its own risk and reward profile. Ready to start investing? Set financial goals, choose the right investment, start small, use a brokerage account, and stay patient and consistent. Investing is a powerful tool for financial security and achieving life goals. Understand the risks, choose wisely, and stay the course. You'll be on your way to financial freedom in no time. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Welcome back. Now that you have a solid understanding of the basics, let's dive deeper into advanced investment strategies. In this chapter, we'll cover 3 crucial topics: diversification, risk management, and the importance of staying informed about market trends. First up, diversification. Diversification involves spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. The goal? To reduce risk. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. By diversifying, you can protect yourself against the poor performance of any single investment. Next, let's talk about risk management. This is all about understanding your risk tolerance and making informed decisions to protect your investments. Are you a risk taker, or do you prefer playing it safe? Knowing this will help you tailor your investment strategy to suit your comfort level, minimizing potential losses while maximizing gains. Lastly, staying informed about market trends is key. The financial world is ever-changing, and staying up to date can help you make timely decisions and seize opportunities. Whether it's through financial news, market reports, or expert analysis, being informed allows you to adapt and thrive in any market condition. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay informed, and keep learning. With these advanced strategies in your toolkit, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Happy investing! Got more questions? Drop them in the comments below.